Let's up-level this sentence. In this video, we will focus on expanded noun phrases and how we can use them in a sentence, so keep watching to see more.
Let's add an expanded noun phrase to this sentence. The noun that we will expand is bottle. So let's add in some adjectives. So instead of having the phrase, a bottle, we now have, a dusty, cracked bottle. Whenever you use two adjectives together, you need to use a comma to separate the words. And to complete the expanded noun phrase, we are going to add in a prepositional phrase. We are going to use, on the sand. So, the whole expanded noun phrase will look like this. A dusty, cracked bottle on the sand.
So this sentence could look something like this.
Yasmin found a dusty, cracked bottle on the sand.
All resources featured in our videos can be found on our website. Follow and like for more tips.